So yeah, no poles in the video game. I have not thought about routing at all. I kind of want to see if I can finish it. It'll be interesting because there's no way I'm not gonna do like Squid K to Starflight. I don't think, which means I probably can't go up the wall. I probably can't go up Chimney Canopy. So I could probably do the Farm-Raised Echo, the Subterranean Echo, Shaded Citadel, and yeah, I don't know what else I'd do. Yeah, no poles. Case in point. Gonna need to do a ledge vault here, I think. Nice. It's gonna be a lot of crawl turn vaults. Hop vault? Yeah, try it. Yeah, that'll make it. Just need to do the inputs correctly. Jump store to eye pounce. It might be more real than the other one. No, it doesn't actually do anything unless I'm on a slope, I guess. Or I didn't hold it down long enough to expend the jump storage. Ta-da, first try. I didn't eat any food, so we're still good on cycle time. I hate slopes. I hate slopes. I hate slopes. At least I can vault consistently. Oh my god, now I just can't wall jump. My face when wall jumping is harder than doing a crawl turn vault. Also, I think I'm nearly on my record. Yeah, hang on. This is my record for most consecutive. Okay, that was like 8. I think that was my record for most consecutive 8.5 Tylers. Thank you. Oh my god, that took way too long. This room. Huh. Oh, that actually embedded. Okay. I wasn't sure that would work. Nice. I find how big this mod is pretty funny because they literally just had to re-render every room in the game. That really annoys me. So even if you have full food, the game will prioritize trying to eat the food and telling you that you cannot eat the food, in fact, over just picking up another item. Cycle 1, 9 minutes, 26 seconds. Not bad. I don't know if they removed all the pole plants. I can go and find that out. I think I'll go to Farm-Raised and do the Farm-Raised Echo first. Or maybe Shaded. Let's go to Shaded first, actually. I'm not going to be karma caching, I'm going to be getting food legit. Yeah, thank you for the raid. I'm really bad at these wall pounces. Nice, okay. Sigma sent it to me too, and I saw the mod post as well. A couple of people said to try it, so I will. I think it'll be fun. Honestly, like it actually is just an interesting concept. Let's go to the upper shelter actually, because I'm sure this room is a little bit difficult. I think I can make this though. Yeah. So many vaults. Okay. Plan. Oh wait, you can just wall jump this. Never mind. Oh, this room looks so weird. It's just completely naked. That's whack. Okay, I'm not going to that shelter unless I go the other way. Oh, I had that. I had that. No. Video game. Maybe I do take the shelter below me. You know what? Yeah, why not? I think I could probably take the upper path in its entirety, and that'll be okay. What is happening down there? What? The green, like, brought the pink out of the den, standing completely upright. Yeah, this is a let's play. Ooh, ooh. That's rough. I'll just leave that and go this way. There's so many places you're not going to think about as problems, so this is cool. Let me see if I can get this, actually. Nice. I'll take the upper shelter here. It's pretty easy to get to. I kind of want to peep in, like, I think I'll be stopped by the big tall room in Chimney Canopy. I'm just trying to think, like, is everything there? Can I chain vaults there to get through? I can't get up to the echo then, even if I get there. There's just no walls in that area. I'd have to fly. I'm not going to be getting to Pebbles. I don't think I can, so I'm routing this like it's a pilgrimage run. I'm going to be going for echoes. So I'm going to go for the Shaded Echo, the Farm Raised Echo, the Subterranean Echo. I just need one more. Yeah, I'm going to have to get Skylands or Chimney to work somehow. There's no way I can do the wall. Unless, I mean, with Grapple Worm, I feel like you could go up the leg without poles. It might be something to try. We'll do that last. Okay, I can hit that. Nice. Oh, wait, whoa, okay, the map. Oh, that's a platform. Okay, okay. I thought the map was telling me there was a pole. I don't know if I can do this, though. That's asking too much. You're definitely supposed to have a pole in here. That's sad. Yeah, I don't really think there's anything I can do here. Yeah, okay. Well, there's the other route. Okay. Checking the geometry each room that I enter. Okay, this room is go all the way to the... This is probably where I'm going to have to use the stun. The flashbang. Yep. Did it too early. Oh, close. Yeah, did it too early. Gotta wait until I'm actually on that screen. So I'll probably still die. In this room. Right, I did not want to go down here. But I can't really avoid it, so... Is that a white lizard or what? I don't even want to know. It looked like it. Down here, I really don't want to fall. That's rough. Okay. Alright, bro immediately falls. That was hype. Okay, down, and then we want to somehow enter the right there. Okay, that's cool. Nice. Alright, I did not expect them to make that, like, in that few tries. I will wawa. I'm doing pretty good. I'm glad this mod came out. It's, a nice break from the grind. So let's try going up here and trying this route first through the mole lizard room. This is going to be really hard. I think. I want to save all of my items for the next room. So this is mole lizard land. Oh, why am I not hitting this wall pounce? Okay. Yes! Oh man, this is so stressful. Thank you. Child? Not sure what you're talking about, but okay. The spiders took it to daycare. I'm not gonna be able to feed it on the next one. Not while I'm locked into the mission. Oh yeah, I can wall climb, but that's cheating, you know? Too easy. Although I appreciate the reminder, actually I will use that for fruit probably, or with fruit. Oh, I could get a lantern. Ooh, okay. Okay, you're just gonna do that. What? Nah. Took a pearl and gave me a flashbang for it. Never mind. Friendly relationships with the scavs are done. Alright, instantly I regret ever being nice to them. Thanks, bro. Appreciate it. Didn't even have a spear on him. One explosive spear. Maybe I do try the leg now. Nice. That was really painless. That region doesn't really have that many poles in it anyways, so... maybe I risk it. Nice. Okay, cool. That was a little bit sketchy. But now we're safe. So I can either passage out of here if I absolutely need to, or we get out of here. Those are the two options. So this is why I put the spear here. Very intentional. Yep, it's already time. I do want to grab a fruit here, because it will be a little bit easier than the lantern. Yes, blacksmith scug. And this is a little bit faster than the other one. I see a world where we get all the way up and then the mean white lizard is there and oh. It ruins the day. Okay. I'm just I'm gonna do all of these vaults up and then I'll mess one up and then all of the recovery vaults will be bad. Damn it. Oh, I'm dead. Unfortunate. Just needed to throw the spear. I really don't want to throw anything there to get the, because it'll, activate the white lizard, and that's really bad. Do not want to do that. Did it take my rock, or did I just messed up my hand placement? That's crazy. I did not think that that was my hand order. This guy is so aggressive as well, so I'm gonna be pretty much cooked whatever I do now. There's a den there, so I can't do that. And yeah, I'm just dead. Good thing I got the karma flower. I need to get a spear. I need to kill him before I can do anything else. I am going to turn on the input logger. Mainly just because I want a recording of this. Oh, this is real? Oh my god, bro. Ain't no way. Nah, okay. That's crazy. Alright, he's still in his den. That's bonker. Oh, okay, never mind then. I don't think I can make this even. Nope, that was max height. Is that an unembeddable surface? Oh no, it embeds a little bit too far to the right though. That's the throw that goes in. Huh? Wait, hang on. Oh, I thought I could time that. You want to come through here now? I can't get it. It's literally like a tile too far to the right. I could get 8 jump storage. Really? What the fuck are you doing? This guy is crazy. What? What is this guy on? Okay. That guy is wild. I don't know why I can't embed a spear here. There we go. Jeez, that wasn't so hard. No! Why was there a second rock there? Oh no, I'm so cooked. There's a second rock, so I picked up the rock instead of the spear out of the pole plant. So now I can't fight this guy, I've just gotta play around him the whole time. Oh, this is actually torturous. Alright, I'm out of here. I'm just gonna die. This is... I can do it. I know I can do it. I just don't have the patience for it right now. I want to try Chimney Canopy. It's so annoying. It's annoying because it's a skill issue. Like, I know... I can do that. All I need to do there is EI jump. And then I'm home free. Not that one. Alright, now we try to go for the Chimney Canopy grapple worms. Thank you. Oh. Right. I just can't do that. Aw, that's so disappointing. I'll try Sky Islands too, I guess. That should be... It should be possible to enter Sky Islands at least. I think. Oh no, the Farmer's ladder room beforehand. I could Starfly there though. Yeah, hang on. That's a good place to get a Squidcada and Starfly. Okay, maybe I'll do that. Ah, that's sneaky. Oh, I just can't. Okay. Down. Ooh, this is a fun jump. This will take me a couple of tries. I had it. I had it first try and I just goofed. Oh, okay. That was a bit counterproductive. You almost got me, dude. Nice. The Scav party zone, my favorite. Oh dear. What the hell is happening to this noodle fly? What the fuck? I'm not gonna question it. Anyways, 2 echoes though. And sub echo is definitely doable. So I guess we're gonna go Sky Islands Echo. Drill crab, yes. Hello. Cool story, bro. Now we starve. Rain World is a very serious game. You really just... Okay, I guess I'm taking you now. Oh, I hit the wall. Consistently, the hardest part of this is just getting the backflip started. Just walking is enough to pull you off the ground. There we go. Do I need crawl, turn, wall climb anywhere? I used it in a couple of spots. In the leg, when I was trying the leg. But you don't really need it anywhere, because anywhere you can use crawl, turn, wall climb, you can use item regrab climb. Which is what I did instead a lot of the time. Yeah, if I was Spearmaster... Well, this would be a little bit easier if I was Spearmaster, because then I wouldn't have to starve for this, but... I get what you mean. I at least have nice spawns. I probably should have just played this on Monk, really. I wouldn't lose much. Can you go up? Thanks. We're gonna be doing some tax evasion here in a minute. Oh, hello. The backup crew is here. I've just got to get all the way through Sky Islands in, what, 3 attempts? Without dying? I don't remember what the karma requirement is. Can't be that high, right? Surely. What is the karma requirement, actually? Okay, I need 3 karma. This is Farm Race to Sky Islands, so I've got quite a few attempts, actually. Goodbye, chat. I mean, surely I can make it all the way across without dying, right? That's cool. Thanks, bro. Oh wait, I'm starving and then dying. Never mind, I got lots of temps. Yeah, I forget about that all the time. Like, if you're in a dire situation, starving literally doesn't hurt at all. Like, worst case scenario, you die and you're back at the same karma. Oh, close. So I need food. What's the best place to do that? I'm gonna hope that there's green centipedes that I can eat over this way. Over yonder. Okay, there's a spear and a popcorn plant. Surely if I drop this guy, it'll come back to me, right? Uh-huh. Yeah. Okay, dude. Come on now. Wall pounce. Thank you. Ooh, Jesus. This room, I think, is not possible. I need a lantern or a fruit. Come down here. Yes, yes. Yes, I see you. You're gonna fall down. Come down. I hear you. Please. No, you suck. And the vulture comes after me. Fine timing, bro. Come here. I hate all of you. I hate all of you so much, dude. Nope. I have a pearl in my stomach. You're coming out into the rain with me because I hate you so much. Stupid idiot. Die. Oh, I triggered the echo. And I still have enough karma. Oh, because I was starving. I'm a genius. This was all part of the plan. Okay. How did I considered that even for the farmer's echo. I was like, oh, I could just die for it. And I was like, nah, I won't do that. Oh, but I'm not a genius. Oh, but I'm not a genius. This is gonna be a lesson in pain. Finally. Oh, but I can't get up there. Without the squidcada. Hello, Moxie. So the only other route I have is to go up that way. Bomb boosting is an option. Hey. Not you. One with the bomb, please. Is there a way I can do this without killing myself? No. Worth a try, though. It's good to know that the vulture still just, like, vibes in here. Whoa! Okay, bro. Sure, sure. Let's see if I can do anything in this room. I could hit 2 crawl turn wall climbs. You see? Okay, that's not enough. Oh, slide, stumble, wall pounce. Nice. Thank you. That's 1 done. Alright, now we wait. Get our stamina back. No, they really did that, didn't they? Come on. Why would they make that, like, why is that the terrain? Alright. I can't do it over there, because there's a fucking lump at the top. If I get 2 spears, I could do a Slug King jump. There's no blue fruit in here. There's just no spears. Okay. That room. I think. Close. Nice. I think that's enough. Nah, come on. I thought within like 5 tiles it wasn't casino. Oh, I can get that. Come on now. Yes. I probably should just grab an extra spear. Immediately misses the wall pounce by a mile. Okay, I'll just grab an extra spear. Video game. Thank you. Oh, first try, nice. Yeah, let's go. Finally, hello. Bye. Mercedes-Benz Karma. All right. Hello, Borp. You joined at a good time. Now we're in the home stretch. Starve here, and then I cross all of Farm Arrays, sleep in Subterranean, then I can be free of this guy. Yeah, we're in the home stretch. I don't think there's any room where I need poles. Ooh, the Subterranean drop room. I'm glad I thought about that right now, because I 100% would just fall down that like I normally would and would die a horrible death. No, I just need Subterranean. I got Farm Arrays, I got Shaded Citadel. I could get Chimney Canopy, but I'm not going to. I really wanted to do grapple worm stuff, but I couldn't get up the leg without a lot of hassle. So I abandoned that and came over here. Subterranean Echo should be the easiest to get, just mechanically, because it's just fall down. I'm gonna get the unlock. This is the intended way to get this unlocked, by the way. How many mod reviewers are gonna actually be able to review this one? I mean, once you get the Squidcada, I think you can route Starflight everywhere, which is boring, but definitely doable then. I should do the bin warp. Yeah, totally. I hate this game, dude. So when I'm going around corners with the Squidcada, it doesn't like... the chunks get all fucked up, so you have to throw and grab it again really quickly. You have to do a re-grab, and so I threw it, grabbed the spear that I didn't see, and then immediately threw the spear into the Squidcada. So I'm gonna have to be really conscious of not doing a grab throw and doing throw then grab. I sentence thee to turning around in tunnel with Squidcada in hand. 10 years. Anyways, this is gonna take a while. Queue up the, wait. What is that music? I forgot what it is from. I don't know if we need this guy yet, so I'm not going to get rid of him. Dumbass. Going on a journey? Where you going, bro? Dumbass. Hey, this is apt music. Correct region. So I'm going to go through the gate, and then I will sleep up top. I may have made an error in my ways. Actually, hang on, no, I'm full stamina again. Squidcada vaults. Okay, do not. Yeah, it's fair. It's just difficult. Also, oh, echo, right. I nearly forgot about the echo. That would have been awkward. Hello. It's the one with like the ring of balls that like zap you. Like the whole screen is filled with those electric balls and the shrinking circle that moves in an infinity. Yeah. Okay, well, I appreciate your sacrifice, Angalata. Wait, you have 100k Golden Strand? Hey, GG. Alright. 3 hours, 37 minutes, and 6 seconds to beat the game with no polls. 23 cycles. That's not bad. Almost. I could do it on. No, not quite on Hunter. I have to go to Pebbles for that to work. No cutscene? Yeah. I'm not doing cutscene. Oh, okay. Okay, you're talking about challenge 70. All right, I need to go do something else with my life now.